Palms are sweaty, his weak arms are heavy, his vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti is nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bomb. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes full out, he opens his mouth, but the words don't come out. He's broken now, everybody's broken now, the clock's run out. Time's up, all over, loud now, back to reality. Open goes gravity, open goes gravity, shouting so loud that the young and about. That's back to the loud, you know. Yo, that's what you better back to. And you better lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot to not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot to not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. The soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king, so you move toward a new world order. Normal life is boring, but for starters, it goes to post-mortem. It only grows harder, only grows hotter. It blows, it's all over these hoes, it's all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the Globetrotter. Lonely rose, God only knows his own father from home. He's no father, he goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, cause here comes the cold water. These hoes don't want him no more, he's cold product. We moved on to the next schmo and flows. He sold those, sold daughter. This is old opera, it's told, unfold, it's told harder. Beat goes on. You better lose yourself in the music, the moment, you better never let it go. You only get one shot to not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music, the moment, you better never let it go. You only get one shot to not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Lose yourself in the music, the moment, never let it go. You only get one shot to not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity